We are nearing summer break for many local school districts, and that means figuring out how to feed thousands of students who receive free and reduced lunch during the school year.
News 2's Delilah James spoke with organizations about what their plans are for students in this summer.
Many students across the Lowcountry are getting excited for summer break, but for some of those students not being in school, they may not know when they will get their next meal. But many organizations across the Lowcountry are working to ensure every child gets a meal this break. According to the National Center for Education Statistics, 70% of students statewide receive free or reduced lunches during the school year.
We have a lot of people that a lot of children that depend on these foods.
In January, Governor Henry McMaster opted out a federal program offering nutritional assistance during summer break for students who receive free or reduced lunches and whose families sit below the poverty line, leaving many families and state leaders disappointed.
It's really disheartening and frustrating that the governor chose to put politics over people, specifically our children. And again, he could have opted in this. This is taxpayer money that all of us put into the federal government. Those are the funds that are being disseminated.
In the Palmetto State, 1 in 6 children face hunger every day, according to Feeding America, as their families struggle to meet basic needs.
These are what we call our working poor. And we have to uplift them so they can keep working in our communities. And we don't want them out there committing crimes. They get food in their house. We want to give it to them. And this is what's all about, uplifting our community.
Organizations like the Community Resource Center and Lowcountry Food Bank are working to bridge the gap by providing nutritious meals to kids every day this summer, while state lawmakers are taking the fight to Columbia.
We pick and choose what's important, and I don't think there's a dollar figure that's too high to ensure that our children, particularly in South Carolina, have a decent meal and have access to resources.
In addition to the North Charleston Resource Center and the Lowcountry Food Bank, several other school districts will have food distributions as well. You can find more information on our website at count2.com. Reporting in North Charleston, I'm Delilah James, Count 2.